everyone. Today we are going to talk about enumeration types, part of programming in C course. An enumeration type, enum, is a user-defined data type in C programming language that consists of named constants called enumerators. It allows you to define a set of named integer constants and use those names instead of integer literals. Enumerated types are declared using the enum keyword. For example, let's consider an enum type days representing the days of the week. Here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. are enumerators. The first enumerator is assigned 0, the next 1, and so on. These values can also be explicitly assigned. In this case, Monday is assigned 1, Tuesday is assigned 2, and so on. Enumerated types can be used in exactly the same way as any other basic data types. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.